nga, Miss Kelly, bukod sa napakakulay mong love life na talaga ng mga pinagpipiestahan lately naman talaga, passionate ka rin. You're very passionate, siyempre, sa iyong advocacy pagdating sa alopecia awareness. Kasi ikaw mismo, di ba, nabalitaan namin na na-diagnose mismo ng alopecia, tama ba?
Yes po, yeah.
Paano mo nalaman na meron kang alopecia, Be?
Noong time na, that was October 2018. So, nasa Tagalog class ako. And then I was like, nahirapan ako sa lesson. So, I was like this. Tapos sabi, sorry, nagmura ako.
Okay lang, okay. I-blip na lang namin yan.
O kaya hindi namin i-blip para mas pag-usapan tayo.
Okay, ayun, so ganito ako. Tapos na-feel ko as it's super smooth. So, pumunta ako sa CR, tapos parang back selfie ako ganito. Then, nakita ko parang may bald spot na ganitong, kalaki. Yeah. Then I was like, that's really weird. And then, I came out of the bathroom, tapos nandun yung Tagalog teacher. And we're super close din. She's like a mentor in my life also. And I just started crying. Sabi ko, I don't know what happened. So, after a few months, kasi nasa likod siya. So, I didn't really see it anymore. Then after a few months, I asked someone to check. Like, can you check how it is? And sabi ng pinsan ko, oh my God, it's huge.
It's getting bigger. Sinasabi nga nila, hair is a woman's crown, di ba? Parang natin yan, glory natin yan. So, anong naramdaman mo nung nalaman mo, of course, syempre, aside from nalungkot ka, may gumulo pa ba sa isipan mo nalaman mo meron kang alopecia?
I was really scared because it just kept getting bigger, and actually there were 2 more like spots that formed, and I was I guess preparing for the moment if ever na I'll lose all of my hair. So at that time I was starting, I guess my career was picking up sa GMA, so I was doing a lot of guestings and dancing and stuff like that, and it was very difficult for me to cover it. So I was, if I have a hairstylist or something, I actually try to hide it pa. And then I remember may mga artista na parang dumadaan in the dressing room, and I would like cover it. And I was so shy about it that time kasi hindi ako naging public about it that time. I guess at the age I was 22 years old, you don't think that you're gonna have a health problem, and it happened. And but I realized when I became public about it and I joined Alopecia Philippines organization, and I met a lot of people and talked to a lot of people that experienced alopecia then, I became very okay with it. I would still try to hide it every day, just because, if you're walking around like that and people might be asking you, blah, 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 and you get bothered. So I would just put a hat on if I felt like it or something. But yeah, when it comes to talking about it, and dami nag-message sa akin that time that they're suffering from alopecia and how do I deal with it. And for me, it was becoming public about it that really for me. Kaya the awareness is so important kasi I guess when you have something like that, your fear is that people don't understand it. So you have to share the understanding with others. And the fear will go away. So that was my experience.
Maraming salamat for that knowledge talaga. They're learning talaga, di ba? Ang dami natututo sa atin. I'm sure yung magko-comment dyan, mag-thank you sa iyo talaga. Pero
alam mo, you can join Binibining Pilipinas because you talk fluently, no? Yeah. Tapos, actually,
and we are learning a lot.
Overtime na kami.
Naku, kahit overtime tayo, we're still happy kasi talagang binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon, di ba, the opportunity to talk to her, mag-interview at malaman yung side niya, di ba? Sana ikaw ay nag-enjoy din sa mga chika namin sa iyo, Miss Kelly.
Actually, I want to thank you for the opportunity to speak out about the things. Guys, I'm sorry kasi alam ko, ito yung first episode ng comedy show niyo. Pero yung mga, usapan natin medyo...
Respect na namin, iiyak Joke lang.
But I'm very thankful, like especially to talk about the alopecia. That's so very important to me to spread the awareness. So I'm grateful ako sa inyo for giving me the opportunity and making it fun for people to watch also. So salamat.
Yay, Miss Kelly, we are so privileged to have you today.
I want